Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We will discuss some examples of chapter number 3. I hope you will give attention to today's lecture. So let us start our lecture. Pages are 65, 67, 68 and 69. So our topic is numericals. We will discuss example 3.4, which is on 65 number page. Two meshes 5.2 kg and 4.8 kg are attached to ends of an inextensible string which passes over a frictionless pulley. Find the acceleration in the system and the tension in the string when both the meshes are moving vertically, which is case 1 in our previous topic. So because both bodies are moving vertically, so data is M1 is 5.2 kg and M2 is 4.8 kg. As 5.2 is greater, so we take M1 5.2. So formula for acceleration: A is equal to M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. Putting the values, 5.2 minus 4.8 by 5.2 plus 4.8 multiplied 10. Finally, we have 0.4 meter per second square. Tension: 2m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 g. Putting the values, finally we get 50 Newton, which is a force. Due to this reason, its unit is Newton. In example 3.5, which is situated on page number 67, two meshes 4 kg and 6 kg are attached to the ends of an inextensible string which passes over a frictionless pulley such that 6 kg moving horizontally and 4 kg moving vertically. This is the case number 2 about the finding of acceleration and tension T. Solution is M1 4 kg, M2 6 kg. So formula for acceleration is M1 by M1 plus M2 into G. Putting values, 4 by 4 plus 6 multiply 10. Finally we get 4 meter per second square. Tension T is M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G is equal to 4 multiply 6 by 4 plus 6 multiply 10. So finally we have 24 Newton. In example 3.6, a body of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Find the force required to stop it in 2 seconds. So mass is 5 kg, initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Final velocity will be 0 as body coming to stop. So and the time is 2 seconds. We have to find force. Firstly, we have to find momentum before initial momentum, which is M1 VI equal to 5 multiplied 10 50 Newton second. Final momentum 5 multiply 0 as its final velocity is 0, so final momentum will be 0 Newton second. Formula for force, as we study this formula in the rate of difference of momentum, is a force. So F is equal to Pf minus Pi by T. It means final momentum minus initial momentum by T. Putting the values, we finally get force is equal to minus 25 Newton, which is required force to stop the moving body. Students, I hope you will understand these examples. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is a slogan of native. Allah Hafiz.